Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the shelves from my recent video on the Funko Bitty Pops. I really wanted these shelves to fit their displays because I like how they're all good and stable. We've got several different pieces here. The first piece is the back piece. It's going to be 5 inches by 12 inches. Then we're going to have two that are 12 by 1¼ inch. Next, the shelving pieces, and they're all going to be just a little bit over an inch by 4½ inch. And you'll need 7 of them, along with an extra one that is 1¼ inch by 4½, and that'll be the top piece. Next, we're going to start hot gluing the things together. Start by gluing the sides and the top. You'll want to do both sides and then the top just to make sure that everything is good and stable. And then when you have that, you'll want to take an empty case of the Funko Bitty Pops to kind of measure them out. Then put hot glue on 3 sides of the shelf and stick it in there. Before it cools, I would pull out that shelf so it doesn't get stuck. Next, I like to cover all the edges of the foam board with this wood glue. It kind of makes everything solid and gets it all smooth so that when the paint goes on, it's not so foamy. Speaking of paint, we're going to use Mod Podge and Nutmeg Brown to paint everything. And I like to mix my paint in an old pill bottle or just something that'll have a good seal to it. That way I can come back later if I'm not through painting the whole thing and I don't have to worry about mixing the same color and matching. And then I like to do long brush strokes so that it covers it all, but it also gives it that wood look. And then once you have everything painted, you're pretty much done because the Mod Podge seals it in. So these are the shelves that I used in my Bitty Pop video, and I like them a lot, so I've been using them in the backgrounds of lots of other videos. They just haven't come out yet. And then I wanted to add in some more details, just sells the scene a little bit better. Babe's collector room. Like we have his movies and his pops now, board games, and then of course the light switch from Etsy. And then that's actually a shrunken down version of a real poster that we have in that real room. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.